Hey guys, welcome to a new video by Technopeople, and in this video I will be doing something really interesting. It is known as the FizzBuzz program in Python. Alright, so the FizzBuzz program is a really common interview question asked for IT workers, and this will it's quite an easy program which you can do to test your knowledge of loops. So we can do this with a for loop, and the objectives of this program is to print numbers from 1 to 100, and instead of each multiple of 3 you have to print fizz, and similarly you have to print buzz for each multiple of 5. And at the same time, if the number is a multiple of both 3 and 5, then you have to print FizzBuzz. Alright, so this seems really interesting, and we can do that with a bit of code, and this is going to be really interesting. And before we start with that, I encourage you guys to go and subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and after that please hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my new videos. Alright, let's start by a for loop. So for some variable, say pgm program. Okay, for pgm in range, so the range should be 1 and 101, so that it prints all the numbers from 1 to 100. So after that, that's our loop, and we have to print pgm. Alright, so we can run that. That's step 1. I'll just name that FizzBuzz. It's okay. Alright, so I save that. Amazing. So it prints all the numbers from 1 to 100. And my next step is to print fizz instead of all the numbers which are divisible by 3. So to check divisibility, we use the modulo function in Python, which is just to check the remainder, and if the remainder is 0, then we say that it is divisible. Alright, so we can just cut that bit of code and just add an if statement. So if pgm okay, so if pgm modulo 3, okay, so if the remainder equals 0, then we have to print fizz. Alright, and we also have an elif statement, else if pgm modulo, which is the remainder 5, equals 0, then we have to print buzz. And we also have another elif statement, elif pgm modulo 5 and 3, modulo 3 equals 0, and pgm modulo 5 equals 0, then we have to print FizzBuzz. Alright, so I think that's correct. We can run that. Okay, it's only printing fizz and buzz and fizz and buzz, and I don't even think that's 100. So it's printing only the multiples of 3 and 5. Okay, so something has gone wrong. Yes, so I forgot to do the one last command, else we have to print pgm as it is. We can run that. Alright, so I think that's good. But where is FizzBuzz? Okay, so FizzBuzz both are not being printed. So for 15, it has been printed fizz instead of FizzBuzz. Alright, so something is wrong there, and we'll go fix it. Alright, so where did I go wrong in my code? Alright, so I think I need to move this to the first. Alright, so I'll cut that out and I will replace that with this. And after that, I will just rename that FizzBuzz. Alright, and elif the remainder 3, and then we have to print fizz. And we can just replace that with 5 and delete this bit of code here. Then we have to print just buzz. See if that goes correct. Alright, so we have accomplished whatever we wanted. So 1, 2 fizz, 4 buzz fizz, 7, 8 fizz buzz, 11 fizz, 13, 14 fizz buzz. Okay, so if you just go through this output clearly, it prints FizzBuzz, which is divisible by both 3 and 5, fizz for numbers divisible by 3 only, and buzz for numbers divisible by 5 only. Alright guys, so this is a really interesting program I wanted to show you guys today, and this might come it's really useful if you go for an interview for an IT job. Alright, so thank you guys, hope you liked this video, and this is really simple, just a few lines of code and we did a lot. Alright guys, hope you liked my video, and please subscribe and give this video a like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Alright, have a good day and goodbye.